Hi, I'm Jessica with Electra Lane. Happy holiday season officially. And I'm going to show you 3 ways to use my most favorite product in the world, the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. And I just want to point this out too because this is one of the product that comes in 2 of the remaining 3 holiday kits I have that I'm selling. And it's just such a great product. I want to show you how to use it so you can get the kit and throw this into your makeup routine. You won't regret it. It's just so good. So the first way to use this is as a primer, skin glowing facial product, whatever. You can do this a few different ways. You can slap it on your face like I do and then gently massage it in. This is my favorite way to do it. It's a glowy product for sure. So you can, if you want, just put it on the high points of your skin and let it shine through the foundation if you have a sheer application. So the next way to use this product is mixed in with your foundation. I'm using the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup and I'm just gonna apply, a dollop to my hand. I'm not gonna use all of that because this came out real quick. And then I like to do 2 swishes of this. So I'll take it out of here and go around like 1 time and then 1 more dip and just twirl it on the back of the hand so it all comes off. I simply mix it and apply it all over my skin. Well, obviously, you don't have to apply foundation like I do. Most people use a brush. I just really like to use my fingers. And of course, you do not have to use all of these products layered like I'm doing. You can, but I'm just showing you, If you notice too, I'm avoiding my under eye area. I like to skip that and just put concealer there, but I'm getting the foundation to sort of build up all over the rest of the face. And this is where we are now. So very glowy. I'm gonna do a full face of makeup. Obviously, this is very much a choose your own adventure situation, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply cream blush and just chapping it on the high points of the cheeks, a few other areas to warm up the skin. And all of these products will be linked on my Like to Know It page so you can see kind of what I'm using. So I'm just giving myself a very gentle contour right now. Right, and then last cream product is that concealer. Remember, we skipped this area with the foundation, but it's because I wanted to do something a little lighter under the eyes and up onto the cheekbone. So we're still very glowy. I'm gonna take a little bit of this translucent powder and put that on the center of the forehead, on the nose, and anywhere I want to take down some of the shine from this glowy product. Now it's time for a little bronzer. Some brows. Bit of brow gel. And then the last place to use the Hollywood Flawless Filter is as a highlighter. All you have to do is just start back here on the top of your cheekbone, and I like to do two or three dots pretty close together. And then tap them on with your finger. You don't want to tap it on your finger. Tap it with your finger down to about the center of your eye. You don't want to come in too far because then it'll start to look shiny, and we use powder there to take down shine, right? But if you can see, you just tap this on and it gives such a gorgeous highlight. You can add even a little bit above the brow here. Just adds a really nice little bit of glow. I like to do down the center of the nose and of course Cupid's bow as well. Very subtle, but so much impact. I'm gonna do my favorite drugstore lip combo. And this is the final look. I just love this product so much because I feel so confident in my skin. Look, I even have a huge zit right here. We're not gonna talk about that because the focus is on how pretty my skin looks. And you can still see there's some like old blemishes and markings and things on my face. It's not perfect skin, but this does act like a filter. It's just beautiful. And if you're worried about the glow, just top it with some powder where you want it. Again, I have 3 layers of it on, from the primer to mix in foundation to the highlight. But again, 2 bonus ways to use it. You can mix it with lipstick or blush, powder, cream, liquid, whatever you want, and create a whole new product. You can also use it to prep the under eye. It's just so pretty and hydrating under there too, and to help your concealer set nicely. So I can't recommend this enough. And if you want to try it, I have it in 2 of my kits, electrolane.com/shopel, or there's, it's linked a bunch of different places, but I hope you will get a kit so you can try this out, or go through my Like to Know It and you can shop it that way too. But such a good product, multitasking, and these bottles last quite some time, even when you use it as much as I do. So as always, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you soon.